Hello, this is Dr. Alberg, and I'd like to welcome you back to our course Introduction to Reinforcement Motion Control. Our lecture today, where we'll discuss who is using reinforcement controller. The fact is that very few schools actually teach this today, MIT, Stanford, a few others, and very few companies. Billion-dollar companies are developing it. Mostly it is done for autonomous vehicles, space shuttles, and humanoids. Humanoids are considered among the most complicated mechatronic systems. They're operating like a human person in complex, nonlinear, and random environments. And they are envisioned as the future of factory automation and also assistive tools for people around the world that have mobility issues. The companies that are working on reinforcement learning, motion controllers, actually looking for mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and computer scientists. They like them to join their team in product development. Now, the main companies that use it, Boston Dynamics, one of the largest companies in robotics. And what they say is that the potential of these robots, as we see over here, humanoids, in fact, is going to grow, and we need Boston Dynamics new behaviors for something that can be done quickly. We see a robot over here, which is custom. In other words, they manufacture many of these robots, but the applications may be different. The application may be custom. And therefore, we need to teach and train the robot to be good at doing that custom job. So they're finding out that reinforcement learning with its optimization techniques and model-based control techniques that we will cover in this course, they can generate new behaviors for these standard robots in matters of days and hours. And in times past, it took them actually months to do the same thing. And that is from Boston Dynamics CEO a few weeks ago. And then another company that is working on humanoids is Tesla. They're developing Tesla Bot. And this is the next generation automation that includes general purpose bipedal humanoid robot that is capable of performing tasks which are unsafe, repetitive, and boring. And they are looking, as it's stated over here, mechanical, electrical, and controls and software engineers, mechatronics engineers, to help them leverage their AI expertise beyond the vehicle fleet. So these are the main companies. SpaceX is also using it for landing. And there are most likely a few others that are getting started with it. And the objective of our course is to actually motivate our students to be those that also give it a shot and start working on it. With that, I'd like to thank you for listening, and I look forward to see you in our next lecture.